Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Wonder Bible KJV Version audio Bible player. This audio player is great for people who just want to listen to the Bible and probably not familiar with newer technology, iPhones and stuff. Like my grandmother, we bought this for our grandmother who is 104 years old, and she can hardly see or know the technology, so she's able to use this device with no problem. And it's very loud, so she can hear. She's also hard of hearing. The device is loud, and she can clearly see the screen and be able to change to different Bible tracks. So I highly recommend this for anybody who likes to listen to the Bible, especially if they're elderly and don't understand technology. They will definitely love this. I hope this review helps.